Hi everyone, I am so excited to share something that we have been perfecting and working on for a long time, our brand new white label program at LACED Hair Extensions. As a stylist and founder of LACED Hair Extensions, I know firsthand what it takes to build a brand while working behind the chair and how important it is to have products you truly believe in. With over 20 years of experience in this industry, I've seen the difference that high quality, ethically sourced hair can make, not only for your clients, but for your business. At LACED, we work only with vetted long-term partners to ethically source and hand-select every single bundle and strand of hair. Our extensions are known for their soft, natural look and luxurious feel. Your clients will notice the difference right away and they will keep coming back for more. When it comes to creating your own brand, I believe it should feel 100% you. That's why we offer full customization, from beautiful dimensional color options to custom color swatches with your brand tag, plus sleek boxes, eco-friendly packaging, or reusable tags. Honestly, you get to tell your brand story exactly how you want. And here's the thing, starting a hair brand completely on your own can be overwhelming. And in this market, it's actually extremely risky. You need to be careful. You can easily end up with bad batches, inconsistent quality, or pay huge finder fees to programs that don't have years of real experience behind them. When you partner with LACED, you're working with a trusted brand that's been perfecting our manufacturing for over 16 years, so you can feel confident every step of the way. You're also not doing it alone. The LACED team is here to support you from that very first brainstorming call to your big launch and beyond. We'll also set you up with a full library of stock images and marketing assets, so you can confidently promote your brand on your website and your social channels. I've seen our hair used by celebrity stylists and top salons all over the country, and I know how powerful it is when you can truly stand behind your product. LACED hair is built on authenticity, empowerment, and creating beauty in every form. Now, I can't wait to help you build a brand that feels personal, powerful, and uniquely yours. Now, let me help you make something beautiful, your vision, with my support and our team's expertise behind you every step of the way.